Well, morning guys. I've just come back from a couple of hours just down the farm, did a bit of pigeon shooting. But before I pack my gear away, I want to talk to you about crow calls. A lot of people use crow calls to varying degrees of effect, and they think they need to spend an awful lot of money on them. You don't. I'm here to talk to you about this little chap here, the Acme crow call. Okay. £7.50. I can make this little £7.50 crow call sound like a really expensive crow call, and you won't have to spend lots of money, believe me. I've seen this one used to varying degrees of effect on YouTube, but I want to just share with you how it can work. This is how I've heard it used on YouTube quite a lot. Sounds like something you find at a party, doesn't it, really? Don't think it sounds very good as a crow call, but it can sound brilliant, and I'm going to show you now how it can sound. So we can turn it from this into this. Totally different. I'm sure you'll agree. Sounds really, really expensive, and it definitely sounds like a European crow. And I know because I've dragged in some crows from great distances with it. So that's how to turn a into a. If you want to know how to do that, make some comments at the bottom of this video and I'll show you in detail how I do it. But if you're interested, let me know, and you won't have to spend loads of money on a crow call ever again. Also, while I'm at it, I'll just show you how it should sound with a rook crawl as well, with jackdaw, sorry. So it makes an excellent jackdaw call as well as an excellent crow call, and it's only £7.50. Alright guys, if you are interested, let me know at the bottom, leave comments saying this, Chris, I am interested in knowing how you do that, and I'll let you know. I'll just give you one more demo. Pretty impressive, I think you'll agree with that.